Check the scene. Safe. Hey, are you okay?
No, that's for adult. Ang pang baby, support the head.
Yes.
Ganun lang. Huwag yan ganyan. Dito lang. Sa taas. Yan. Support lang the head. And, baby, go.
Baby, are you okay?
Yes.
Baby, are you okay?
No response.
No response. And hey, you on the yellow shirt, can you call 911 and get the AED and come back?
Check for life. Saan ang pulse ni baby? Tapos support the head. Huwag mo tagalin ng and look, listen, and feel for 10 seconds. Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Negative pulse, negative breathing. Perform.
Rescue breath.
Negative.
CPR.
Okay. Support the head. Saan mo dapat tinutusok si baby? Compress saan?
Here.
Okay, and push. Push.
1, 2, 3.
Arrow. Walang clicking sound. Push mo pa nga.
Push na.
Yun. Okay, and push.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 1, 2, 3.
Hala. Anong counting natin?
30. Okay.
1 up to 20, 1 to 9, then 1.
Yes.
And go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1.
Stop. Use the mask. Seal. Seal yan. And blow. Blow.
Then check the...
No, 1, 2 blows. 30, tas dalawang blow. Blow, isa pa. Okay, continue CPR.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yung...
Sige.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1.
9, 2. And blow. And blow. Continue. Ilang beses ulit-ulitin yan?
5 times.
Okay, fifth na.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5.
Blow. And blow. Check for life. Remove the mask. Break out pulse. Check the head. Okay. And look, listen, and feel. 1, 2.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Positive pulse, but the baby is not breathing.
A rescue breath.
Paano yung rescue breath kay baby? Isang blow, then rest for?
Or 6. Sorry. The
3.
1 is to 3.
Yes.
Then
Repeat that for?
Or to 60.
60 times, and then 2 minutes. So 1 to 1. 1 to 10. Okay. Use the mask. And ready? Blow. Count. No. Count for 3 seconds, right? 2, 1. Stop. Yung ganun, ang mask.
Ganun lang, sir.
Oh.
1, 2, 1.
Blow.
1, 2, 2.
10.
1, 2, 10.
20.
1 to 20. 1 to 40. 1 to 60.
Blow. Isa pa. Okay, check for life. Remove the mask. Break your pulse. Look, listen, and feel for 10 seconds. Go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Negative pulse, negative breathing. Perform.
CPR.
Continue CPR. Go. Huwag na yan. CPR muna. Push.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
AED has arrived. Open the AED. Turn on the AED. Attach the pads.
One here, and then one is in the back.
Okay, don't touch the patient. Do not touch the patient. Analyzing. Shock is advised. Please press the shock button. Ano ka? Are you clear?
All clear?
I'm clear. Please press the shock button.
Okay.
Toot. Shock delivered. Continue. CPR.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Analyzing. Don't touch the patient. Patient has pulse but not breathing. Perform?
Recovery position.
No.
Sorry.
Negative breathing. Perform?
CPR.
No?
Sorry.
Has pulse, positive pulse but negative breathing. Perform?
CPR.
No.
Okay, sir.
Merong pulso pero walang hininga.
Okay.
So, magbigay ng rescue breath. Tagawa mo na kanina, di ba? Okay. Now, patient has pulse and is breathing. So, nag-cry na si baby. Anong gagawin mo?
Position.
Okay.
Recovery
Yes.
position.
Paano yung recovery position?
For the baby.
Parang nagpapa-burp.
Okay. Sir.
Wow! Wow! Okay. Alright. Now, the baby stop crying. What will you do? Put it back on a flat surface and then check for life. Break your pulse and count. Pulse and then look, listen, and feel. Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Positive pulse, positive breathing. The baby is crying again. Okay, what can you say?
Answer for the demo. Pag ano pa siya, sir, kailangan continuous yung
Practice.
Kasi
Tas
pag
both
hindi
adult
ko
and
siya-
child.
Personally, hindi ko siya kaya kapag wala pa yung more practice.
Oh, I understand kasi ilang beses lang naman tayo nakapag-practice, diba? But nevertheless, you have the theory in your mind, yung pag-execute na lang ng dapat confident. Pero, kaya yun. Ibabaguhin mo lang yun. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.